Keep the good times rolling. Understanding this cheerful phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the beautiful world of the English language and unravel its mysteries together. Today, we're exploring a phrase that's all about positivity and enjoyment. Keep the good times rolling. It's a phrase you might have heard in songs, movies, or from friends. But what does it really mean? And how can you use it in your everyday English conversations? Let's find out together. Keep the good times rolling is an idiomatic expression used to encourage someone to continue doing what they're doing to maintain a happy or enjoyable situation. It's about prolonging the positive experiences or feelings that one is currently enjoying. The phrase suggests a sense of momentum and continuous action, much like a wheel rolling downhill without stopping. It's often used in social contexts to express the wish for fun or enjoyable activities to continue without interruption. While the exact origin of "keep the good times rolling" is a bit murky, it's generally believed to have its roots in early 20th century American English. It may have been derived from music or popular culture, where the idea of continuous celebration and enjoyment was a common theme. Over time, the phrase has been adopted into everyday language, symbolizing the desire to sustain happiness and avoid the end of a good thing. In conversation, you can use this phrase in casual conversations, especially when you're having a great time with friends or family and you want the moment to last. For example, if you're at a party that's going really well, you might say, "Let's keep the good times rolling," to suggest that the party should continue. In writing, although more common in speech, "keep the good times rolling" can also be used in informal writing, like in texts, emails to friends, or social media posts, to convey a sense of fun and ongoing enjoyment. There are several variations of this phrase that convey a similar sentiment, such as, "Let the good times roll," "keep the ball rolling," though this can also refer to continuing progress on a project or task. "Keep the party going." These variations can be used interchangeably depending on the context and your personal preference. We hope this video has shed some light on the cheerful phrase, "keep the good times rolling." It's a wonderful reminder to cherish and extend the joyful moments in life as much as we can. Whether you're with friends, family, or enjoying your own company, remember to keep those good times rolling. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English language tips. See you in the next video.